Hey, everyone, welcome. You can see I am very happy because of this amazing dish, okay? Curry flour and potato porridge in poto. This is amazing, this is delicious, and this is very healthy, okay? Especially if you are in the cold weather right now, having this curry flour in poto, it will serve you wonderfully. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? With this recipe, we're going to need about 4 potatoes, okay? 4 potatoes that I'm going to use, and I have some grilled um, salmon here that I grill it myself. Very nice and beautiful. This is very tasty too. You can use any fish that you like. This is palm oil that I'm going to just add it to it. And I also have the curry flour here. You can see I used about half of it, what I was having. You can use any amount that you wish. And I have some carrot here, and also salted fish here, some onion and some pepper. The salted fish is optional, but it gives an aroma to your dish. Some tomatoes, very fresh tomatoes here. Yeah, you can decide to use the tin one, but this one is okay. I have some bay leaves and some spices here. Spices, you should use the one that is of your choice, and some little salt to taste. So let's get started. Okay, so you can see I'm just peeling my potatoes nicely. You can just take your time to just peel them off very nicely. If you're a new person here, I say akwaba to you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, okay? And also share the video. Do share and give us a thumbs up, okay? Give your sister a thumbs up. I love this dish. It's very easy to prepare and very tasty, and it is very nutrient packed, okay? You will thank me later. Okay, so you have to peel them off nicely and just cut them into smaller pieces like this one. You can see very into a very small pieces like this one, easy to cook. Okay, so now I'm having my pot ready on fire. The water is already boiling. Okay, potato contains a lot of water, so you have to be careful with the amount of water that you start with. Although you're preparing potato porridge, but you don't want it too watery. Okay, so you have to be careful of the amount of water that you start with. It's better for you to start with a small amount of water, and if you think the water is too small, then you can add some. Don't rather start with too much water. This water, I scoop about 2 spoons from it to get the level that I want. Okay, so now I'm adding my salted fish or my mormone. If you don't have the salted fish, you can skip it. I've just added some little amount of um, salt to it. So now you can see the potato is boiling nicely. So I've added the salted fish here, and then it is boiling nicely here. Okay, so whilst the potato is boiling, you can come in with your pepper and your vegetables in your food. Okay, so you just add everything inside right now, and it is nice and tasty. Okay, so you just for the onions, you can decide to add it like this, or you can also blend it with your tomatoes later on. Whichever way works for you is fine. So I've added the curry flour to it, and adding curry flour to this porridge takes your porridge preparation to another level. This is amazing. This is beautiful. Okay, and it tastes yummy, and it is really nutrient packed. Okay, than just having only the potato porridge. I've tried the potato porridge, and I've tried this one too, and I love this recipe a lot. And I'm adding the bay leaves and everything to it. Okay, so after this, you cover it and you allow it to just cook on a very medium heat, or yeah, on a very medium heat for about 10 minutes for everything to cook well. before you come and take off your tomatoes and your pepper or anything that you want to blend. For the carrots and everything, I decided not to blend them. I just wanted them inside my food. Okay, so you can see I am taking off the tomatoes right now, and we are going to blend it. Okay, and I will be picking a little bit of the pepper that I cut inside here. There are a lot of it inside. You know, I like it spicy. And this food, as I've already said, if you are in the cold area right now, this food will help you a lot. Okay, you get this one, this porridge, you know, it is hot and it is nutrient packed. It will help you a lot. You love it, and you thank me later. But I would love also to hear how you prepare yours. Okay, so please don't forget to leave a comment below. Okay, and I will leave the recipe of this food also below in the ingredients section. Okay, so you can check it out. And I've also added my spices to it. For the spices, as I've already told you, it's to your taste. This one, it included curry flour, some turmeric powder, that's why you can see the yellowish color here, and some Italian spices that I added together. So it was all natural spices here, so you can use any spices of your choice and it will be beautiful. So right now I've also added the salmon to it. Okay, I grilled the salmon myself. It was all fresh salmon, but I wanted to have the smoked one, so I just grill it on a stove top with my grill pan for about 10 minutes, and it was all done. So you can look at this is amazing. Okay, so I've already grounded my tomatoes, and you add it to it at this level. Okay, this food can take about 20 minutes for you to prepare, depending on the level of your heat. Okay, and it is very tasty. So right now you come in with your oil, with your palm oil. Okay, so the palm oil, I've added about half of it to it, and I think it is okay. And look at it, this is beautiful. Please, if you like what you are seeing, don't forget to like and subscribe. Okay, and give us a thumbs up. Give us a thumbs up, and also share the video. Please do share and leave us a comment. Okay, I love you, and I know God loves you more. Okay, so this food, you can see it is amazing. It is beautiful, nutrient packed food. Baby. I just say this channel, you can only get this on this channel. So please subscribe to the channel, and also click the notification bell so that you will get all the videos that I will be uploading. Okay, and as you can see, I just covered it to let it simmer for about 3 minutes, and you can see because it is already done. You can see, because whilst it is cooking, it will be mashing, so it is better for you to cut your potato into smaller cubes, so that when it starts cooking, it will be mashing. If you leave it in the bigger cubes, maybe you will have to just mash it yourself, but whilst it is cooking, you will see that everything will be mashing. And look at this nutrient packed 1 pot food. Okay. I thank you very much for watching this video, and I'm so grateful for all of you that has subscribed to this channel and that have been sharing this video or my videos. I am very grateful to you. Without your help, I couldn't have come this far. I thank you very much. I appreciate you. So if you're a new person, please do like and subscribe. Okay, and also click on the notification bell, and also share the video. Okay, and give us a thumbs up. Okay. I think it's much, but it is the least that I can ask of you. I love you. So till next time, thank you very much, and see you later with this amazing food. You can see how hot it is. You can see how hot it is. Okay, just look at this. Just give it a try and leave me a comment below. Okay, look at this. This is beautiful. This food is beautiful. Thank you very much. Okay. for watching. Till next time, I say bye for now.